How to fix if HP Hotkey Support blank pops up on your Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for services. Then you'll find all this list pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Hotkey, HP Hotkey UWP service. Double click on it. Then in startup type, make sure it's disabled. After it's disabled, simply click on Apply and then OK, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix if HP Hotkey Support blank popping up on your Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.